Welcome to my Temu unboxing and review. Alright, now let's start unpacking. Hello kings and queens, and again today's video is my third Temu unboxing and review. I'm going to drop all of Temu's information down in my description box. Please use my code SALE3592 to get 30% off, and that is for new users only. Also, my exclusive 90% off code will be down in that description as well. And all of my items are out of the box sitting here. And this is my actual home decor kitchen gadget haul, you guys. And these are my items. And once again, they are from Temu. Now, my first item, you guys, is a dryer cleaner. This actually cleans the lint from your dryer. We're going to take it out the package. I will tell you too, you guys, do make sure on all of your items you do check your pieces. But here's that vent cleaner. I'm going to put the link in the description. Now this is my lights, and this is LED lights for the TV, you guys. And the package, it did come out of the package like this. Now this, I will tell you, definitely check this. My prong for my USB, one of the wires was broken, which did not allow my light to work, so do make sure you check that out as well. But they just connect right in, and then also with the remote control you choose which lights you would like to see. Now this is my vegetable chopper, you guys. I'm going to let you see all of the pieces because this did come with a total of about 12 pieces. They also came with the instruction manual or showing you how to operate it. I'm going to show you the individual pieces, you guys. But I am on a more healthier lifestyle. I will be checking out more Temu items for that. So make sure you do check them out. And these are the different grates. So you can chop up your items different. And this is actually the potato holder. It also came with 4 different sets of blades. Once again, whatever you're chopping, these choppers are the way to go. And this is that top piece, you guys, and this is what actually aids the chopping of your items. Do check all those links. Now too, you guys, this is just my portable juicer, and I did do a couple of these in this order. Here are the instructions as well. Now you guys, with this portable juicer, it does have a USB. Make sure you do charge it, and I will tell you it did work extremely well. This is actually an item for TT and her siblings, you guys. But all I did was put that O-ring in there and just connect it. We did use these. You're gonna see on another juicer that we did actually utilize it. So make sure you're watching. And two, if this is your first time tuning in, thank you. Welcome to Glam Queen DIY. Why don't you consider subscribing and becoming a part of this family? It did come with 2 cups, you guys, and you see here you just twist it on, flip it up, and start the juicing. And this is your power button here, you guys. You turn it on and off. And this is our herb grinder, you guys. Now just taking it apart and letting you see. And you guys, I'll be showing you each item that you see. You twist here. Now this, you do still get to control with how coarse or how fine that you do want to grind your herbs. Do make sure you check out Temu for all of their kitchen gadget items. And this is another vegetable chopper, you guys. I chose the color pink. They do have them in several different colors, but this is actually a piece for my niece as well. And one reason of choosing this, I liked it, the style of the roundness of the bowl as opposed to the square one. Now I'm just going to connect the handles and put them on. Now you guys, once you do construct it, this chopper is actually still very, very sturdy. It did come, it did have several items that came with it. That was that peeler, that potato holder as well, and also a couple of the blades. Now our next item, you guys, is another herb grinder, you guys. Now this herb grinder came with the cleaning brush along with the USB cord. Now, you guys, we did still have to use batteries with this one as well, if it was an option. But as you can see here, when you're using it, it does light up. You do get to control how coarse or how fine you do want your herbs with this one as well, and I'm loving it. You do connect with the USB on the very top, and it opens up here, you guys. I'm going to be showing you how every item opens up. Now here, this is another juicer, you guys. This was actually for TT. Here's your power buttons, your USB cord, and you guys, we did charge it. Now when you're juicing something, you have your catch at the top to actually catch all of your pulp that's left from whatever you're juicing. So we did put this one to the test. TT was wanting to see how it works, and we did make her some watermelon juice. We did juice some watermelon, you guys, but it does work perfectly. Once again, the link is in the description. Guys, please don't forget to check out my discount code. Now this is that whisk, you guys, and I'm just going to use this as a frothing whisk, self-explanatory. Now my discount code is sale3592. Please make sure you do click on that link in my description and score you some fabulous Temu items. It does come with a cleaning brush as well, along with the stand. And this is a must-have for all of you cappuccino and frappuccino drinkers out there. And this by far is my favorite item. This is my grinding salt and pepper shakers, you guys. You do get to control how coarse or how fine you want your actually pepper grinds. But as you see, I'm taking it apart, you guys. It still does actually utilize batteries as well. But you guys, I'm telling you, these I love. I do know I will be ordering several of these, you guys, so I can have them in my backup. And I did have the two. Once again, they are salt and pepper shakers. They electric. Now you guys, once you tilt that salt or pepper shaker, it automatically starts to grind, so you don't have to touch anything, just turn it upside down. Now you guys, once again, this is another vegetable chopper, and I'm going to be showing you all of the pieces. And you guys, I think this had a total of like maybe 16 pieces. I will have all links in the description, and we had 4 different cutting grades on this one as well. Do make sure you check out those links down in the description. Also, please make sure you do use that code sale 3592 for new users. New users only, and also my lightning discount code. All of that is in the description. Now you guys, it works just like all of your other vegetable choppers. Now here are my last few items. We're going to just be pulling them out of the bag, you guys. And this here, you guys, it's just a standard tablet stand, and I'm going to open it up and let you see. And all it does is simple and precise. Put your tablet on it, set it, and use it, display it, and it actually works well. We have been using that for a while. Next, we have these jump ropes. As I told you, we are on a healthy lifestyle journey. I didn't set it up yet. I didn't connect them, but this is a jump rope, you guys. And next, you guys, this is a little handy dandy zest pillow, you guys. We also have some individual hand slicers and grater. This is another slicer and grater. Also, we have these is 2 vegetable and fruit cleaners. I'm going to show you me using them because I am going to clean a little bit of fruit for you here, you guys. And I did order a total of 2 of those. And I will tell you guys, I did clean off a lot of the pesticides and stuff off of that watermelon. Now you guys, this little light here is actually a little handy dandy manicure set, you guys. The pieces on the inside, and it does have the light on the end of that. Once again, make sure you do check out all of these items links down in my description box, and it was a total of about 5 pieces in there. Once again, this was a manicure set with that little light. This is a great thing to put in your bug out bag. Now you guys, I will be bringing you some more items from Temu for your bug out bag. We also have this handy dandy skull hand back scratcher. It does open up to get it the length you need. And I have these laundry cap holders, and this just sticks on your jug of your laundry detergent, and you just sits there very firmly. You put your cap there to actually drain your laundry detergent. Now here we have this is actually a brick for your toilet bowl. Now we have the 2 watermelon cutters, and I did order 2 of those, and this is what that thing looks like, you guys. You can see the grates on the inside of that watermelon chopper. Here I'm just going to show you how it works. Both sides of that blade, of that chopper do have a slight sharpness to it, and you guys, I will tell you, this cut my watermelon amazingly. And I'm just showing you some of the cut pieces of the watermelon. You guys, do make sure you check these items out. And again, make sure you do check out Temu. My code is also in the description box, and we'll see you guys in the next upcoming video.